I'm Anil Kumar. Here is another review question on vectors. P minus 1, 2, 3 and Q 4, 0, minus 1 are 2 points in space. Find the angle PQ makes with x-axis, right? So we have to find the angle which the line PQ will make with x-axis. So let's find what PQ is. PQ will be OQ minus OP, right? So position vectors, correct? So in this case, OQ is 4, 0, minus 1, and OP is minus 1, 2, 3. So the position vectors we can always see as, let me just show you here. So that is the x-axis. If I say the vector is minus 1, 2, 3, we are saying it is minus 1, 2, and 3. Let's say somewhere there. And then we have 4, 0, minus 1. That means you move 4 units in this direction, 0 in y, and then somewhere here, right? So that becomes the point Q. And this is point P for you, right? So line joining PQ is the vector. So when I say OP and OQ, then this is the position vectors, correct? So PQ is OQ minus OP, right? So that is the concept. Do you understand? So we are reviewing the basic concepts to understand. Now the idea is that what angle this line makes with x-axis. Now here we have the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So what is the equation of x-axis? So in the x-axis, you are moving only along the axis, correct? So we'll write down that also. So x-axis, I'll do this math and then do this. Anyway, we can say that vector I could be a unit vector in x-axis. So let me call this vector as I, okay, which we could treat as 1, 0, 0, right? So 1, 0, 0. So we'll take that along the x-axis. Now this line is going to intersect x-axis and we'll find that angle. That's the whole idea, correct? Okay, let's continue with our solution. Okay, let's finish this off. So the vector PQ is equal to 4 minus minus 1 gives us 5, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, correct? So that is PQ. So we know what PQ is. We need to find what angle PQ makes with x-axis. So we can always find the dot product of these two and get the answer. In dot product, you also need magnitude, right? Now here, what is the magnitude of PQ? Let's figure that out. So that's the vector, which is 5 minus 2 minus 4. The magnitude will be 5 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 4 square root, right? You can always use the calculator to figure this out. So which is 25 plus 4 plus 16. So 20 plus this 45, right? So 45 is 9 times 5. So you could write 3 square root. You would write 3 square root 5. But let me keep it as 45 itself. The magnitude of this vector I've taken a unit vector, correct? Is 1, correct? So now the dot product of PQ with this unit vector should give us the direction, right? So if the angle is, let's say, theta, then we could write this as magnitude of PQ times magnitude of I times cos theta, where theta is the angle between them. So let's find the dot product of these two. So we have 5 minus 2 minus 4 dot 1, 0, 0 equals to magnitude of PQ is 45 times 1, okay, times cos theta. So this is 5 only, right? So it is 5 equals to square root of 45 times cos theta, or cos theta equals to 5 over square root of 45, and that gives you theta as cos inverse of 5 over square root of 45, correct? So let's use calculator to find this. So cos inverse 5 divided by square root of 45 is equal to, so the angle is 41.8 degrees. So that's the angle which we get. We can always round this answer to one decimal place, 42 degrees, right? So our answer is, the angle made is 42 degrees. So I hope the concept is clear. So we took a unit vector, means along the x-axis, direction is along the x-axis, and magnitude is 1. And then find the vector PQ, dot product gives you the angle between the two. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps you to review the concepts. Thank you, and all the best.